Look up at the night sky. See those stars? There are more stars in our universe than grains of sand on every beach on Earth. 200 billion trillion stars. And around most of them, planets orbit. Trillions upon trillions of worlds. With numbers like that, alien civilizations should be everywhere. The universe should be teeming with life. So where is everybody? This is the Fermi Paradox, and it might be the most important question humanity has ever asked. I'm Sal, and today we're diving into one of the universe's greatest enigmas. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi asked a simple question over lunch: where is everybody? His colleagues knew exactly what he meant. If intelligent life is common, even one civilization should have colonized the entire galaxy by now. Our galaxy is 13 billion years old. Humans have only been around for 200,000 years. An alien civilization just 1 million years older than us would seem like gods. They'd have technology we can't even imagine. So why haven't we heard from them? Why haven't we seen any evidence, any signals, any megastructures? Silence is deafening, and it terrifies scientists, because that silence might mean something. Let me show you just how weird this silence really is. The Drake equation attempts to estimate the number of detectable civilizations. Even with conservative estimates, there should be thousands of civilizations in our galaxy alone. Thousands, but we've detected nothing. Not a single confirmed signal, not one piece of undeniable evidence. This is the paradox. The math says they should be here. Reality says they're not. Something doesn't add up. Theory number one, maybe we're actually alone. Maybe life is far, far rarer than we think. This is called the rare Earth hypothesis. It suggests that the conditions for complex life are so specific, so unlikely, that Earth might be one in a trillion, a cosmic lottery winner. Think about what had to go right. A planet in the habitable zone, the right size, a large moon for stability, Jupiter acting as a cosmic shield, deflecting asteroids, plate tectonics, a magnetic field, an atmosphere, and that's just the beginning. Life had to survive multiple mass extinctions. Evolution had to produce intelligence. Maybe simple life is common. Bacteria on Mars, microbes in Europa's oceans. But intelligence, that might be extraordinarily rare. On Earth, it took 4 billion years for intelligence to emerge, and it almost didn't happen at all. Dinosaurs ruled for 165 million years and never developed technology. Intelligence isn't inevitable. If this theory is right, we might be the only conscious minds in the observable universe. The cosmos would be ours alone. But there's a darker possibility. Theory number two, the Great Filter. This theory suggests there's a barrier, a test that civilizations must pass, and almost none of them do. The question that keeps scientists awake at night: is the Great Filter behind us or ahead of us? If it's behind us, we've already beaten the odds. Maybe the jump from non-life to life is nearly impossible. Or maybe going from single-cell to multicellular life is the filter. We passed it, but most planets don't. But if the Great Filter is ahead of us, that's the nightmare scenario. It would mean every civilization reaches a point where they destroy themselves. Nuclear war, climate collapse, artificial intelligence gone wrong, perhaps advanced technology inevitably leads to extinction. Every civilization discovers something they can't handle. The silence wouldn't be a mystery anymore. It would be a warning, a graveyard of dead civilizations. And we'd be next in line, approaching our own Great Filter, completely unaware of what's coming. Theory number three, they're already here, we just can't see them. This is the zoo hypothesis, the idea that aliens know we exist, but they're observing us from a distance. Like scientists studying uncontacted tribes, They watch without interfering. We're in a cosmic nature preserve. Or maybe they're here, but we can't recognize them. What if alien intelligence is so different from ours that we're like ants trying to understand the internet? The evidence is all around us, but we lack the capacity to see it. They could be communicating in ways we haven't imagined. Quantum entanglement, dimensions we can't perceive. Or consider this: what if they're not biological at all? What if advanced civilizations always evolve into artificial intelligence? AI wouldn't need planets, wouldn't need water or oxygen. They'd exist in ways completely alien to us. They might be living in the space between stars, or inside computer simulations, or as pure energy beings. We're looking for radio signals and flying saucers. They might be right here, laughing at our primitive search methods. Theory number 4. Space is just too big, and time is too long. The universe is 93 billion light-years across. That's not a distance, it's an impossibility. Even traveling at light speed, which is impossible, it would take millions of years to cross the galaxy. Maybe thousands of civilizations exist right now, but they're so far away, their signals haven't reached us yet. Or maybe they existed millions of years ago, sent out signals that passed by Earth before humans even existed. And we might send signals that reach distant worlds long after humanity is gone. Ships passing in the cosmic night. There's also the timing problem. Civilizations might only broadcast for a brief window, maybe a few hundred years. We've only been broadcasting radio signals for about 100 years. A blink in cosmic time. If another civilization did the same thing a million years ago, we'd never know. The universe is playing telephone across eternity. The odds of two civilizations existing at the same time, close enough to detect each other, astronomically low. Theory number 5. Advanced civilizations stay silent deliberately, and we should too. This is the dark forest theory. Imagine the universe as a dark forest, and every civilization is a hunter. Broadcasting your location might be suicide, because you never know what's out there, listening. If resources are limited and survival is paramount, the safest strategy is to stay hidden and eliminate any potential threat. When you detect another civilization, you have two choices: attack first or risk being attacked. So every advanced civilization stays silent, weaponized and afraid, waiting in the darkness. And then there's us, humans, broadcast our location into space for decades, announcing ourselves loudly. Some scientists say we're being foolish, that we're children playing with fire, inviting something we can't handle. Others say if this theory is true, it's already too late. Our signals have been traveling for a century. If there's something hostile out there, within 100 light-years of Earth, they already know we're here. So which theory is correct? Are we alone, doomed, being watched, too isolated by space and time? Or are we in danger because we announced ourselves? The truth is, we don't know. And that uncertainty might be the most profound mystery humanity faces. The Fermi Paradox isn't just a scientific puzzle. Scene 69. It's a mirror. Every theory reveals something about how we view ourselves and our place in the cosmos. If we're alone, we carry an enormous responsibility. We're the universe's only chance to understand itself. If the great filter is ahead, we need to recognize it and somehow survive what no other civilization has. If aliens are watching, maybe one day we'll be worthy of contact. If they're just too far away, perhaps our descendants will find them. And if the universe really is a dark forest, well, we've already stepped into it, loudly announcing our presence. The silence continues, and every night we look up at those stars, wondering, hoping, maybe even fearing. Where is everybody? The question remains. The enigma deepens, and somewhere out there, the answer waits. Thanks for watching the Sal Enigma.